Good to go, sir.
Yes, children, now what is the speed of sound? In grade 9 you studied that speed of sound as nearly 340 meter per second. Can you imagine the speed of light? Speed of light is it has very high tremendous speed. That's why we represent speed of light with a letter called as c, which is equal to approximately 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. That is, it is 3 lakh kilometer 3 lakh kilometer per second. Nothing but at a blink of an eye, it is going to travel how many kilometers? 3 lakh kilometers. Just we can't imagine. It is also proved that no material particle can travel with a speed equal to the speed of light. With that speed, light is traveling. That's why light is traveling from sun to earth in nearly 8 minutes. Then what does this light made up of? Many scientists struggle a lot to know what is the nature of light. Does it emit any electron particle in the form of proton or a neutron, or it creates any vibration in the medium during its propagation? Finally, our scientists concluded that light exhibits both particle and wave nature, that is, it exhibits dual nature. Now, how just we want to discuss the propagation of light, how the light is propagating from one place to the another place. Light always travel in straight line. For example, if I consider the point A and the point B, now light is traveling in the straight line, which we call as rectilinear propagation of light. We call this as rectilinear propagation of light. Nothing but light always travel in straight lines until it encounters an obstacle. Until it encounters an obstacle, light is propagating, or when there is a change of medium, light travels in a straight line. Now, light is traveling not only in gases and vacuum, it also passes through solids as well as liquids. In some materials such as water, glycerin, glass, light propagates and travels large distance very freely. Such substances are called as transparent substances. What do you mean by transparent substances? The light which can travel freely and can travel more distance, such type of materials are called transparent substances. What are the examples? Water, glycerin, glass, etc. For example, if you considered a stone, does light can travel through stone? Or does light can travel through wooden plank? Or if you imagine, does light can travel through cloth? No, light cannot travel through them. Those materials are called as opaque. The substances which does not allow light to pass through them are called opaque. If we considered oil or oiled paper, it can transmit only some part of the light to pass through them. Those are called as translucent substances. Example, oil or oiled paper, or we can consider ground glass, etc. For opaque, what we can take? Wood, stone, human body, etc. Human body. These are the basic fundamentals which are dealt in your lower standards. Now let us discuss what is reflection of light. When light encounters a highly smooth polished surface,